everybody. So what I'm doing today is I'm going to be putting a hitch on the back of this HHR. I'm not going to be pulling anything, I just want to put a hitch on there so I can put a bike rack on there and tow the bikes instead of trying to jam them inside. I mean, if I want to pull a little small trailer or something, it's only 1.25 inches. It's only 1.25 inch hitch right here, right? So it looks like it's fairly simple. There's only 4 bolts that go in. So I'm going to read the instructions real quick and slap it on up there. I think the hardest part is going to be, I have to do something with the muffler. It says I have to drop the muffler down to get to some bolts, but it looks, maybe I need to drop it down to get this piece in, to get the piece in, but it looks like I should be able to get to the bolts, no problem. The other problem is, it looks like, you drop it. Looks like this bolt goes in one of these holes here. Yeah, it's too big for these holes. I think what it does is it goes in this hole here. This is my guess. I haven't done it yet. Another hole right here, and the bolt is too big, so I'll have to, maybe I will have to drop that muffler down, but that's not a big deal. A DrawTite hitch. It's a large existing rearward slot. Cobalt. Hey, it says Cobalt Iron Pursuit and G5. I'm gonna get a drill with a unibit. And I'm gonna drill it out until that bolt fits. Let me go get the drill. This is this last one right here. Kind of hot. Alright, so that fits. So to get the muffler out, or out of the way, there's some hangers. There's a hanger here. And then there's 2 hangers, one here and one here. Just gonna pry those out. Get a pry bar and pry that. Other thing I'm gonna do is spray it with some of this lubricant. Just so it slides in and out easy. Alright, one's off. There, off. Let's see, we'll move over enough? No. And this one, okay. Now, let's see if I can get the drill in there. Moves out of the way enough. Just enough, it looks like. Okay. So the bolts fit. Now, if I can get this hitch up there, it's kind of heavy to get up there and hold. It's gonna go here. This is gonna go like that. Okay, sure. So I need to get something to hold it up there. Got this handy jack right here. Spin this thing all the way up. Okay. I'll put the other driver's side top of the muffler. I'll put this side up here, and I'll hold it with this. The other thing, I probably should get the bolt in there first. What they want you to do is they give you this flat bar with a square cut on it, and they give you a carriage bolt that has a square in it. You take them, put them together like that. So now that's going to go in, sit on top of the frame, and this will hit inside the frame rail when you tighten it, and it'll hit, and I'll be able to tighten the bolt. They give you this wire. This is a cool little thing. So you take this, shove it up through the hole where you want it to go, and then screw it onto the bolt like this, and then you just pull the whole thing over to where the hole is. So that's kind of neat design. So I'm putting this in the hole, shoving it over. Now it's coming out. put in this hole. There's wire there. Put it all the way through. Now, I watched a video on this on YouTube. It looked very easy. So I just screw this on there. I'm just gonna go all the threads. All right, now I'm gonna pull here. Get this in there. Get this in there. Maybe I gotta do the same thing. I don't know. Very easy to look like. All right, like that. Yep. Pull this. And oh, look at that. Came through over here. See? Right here. Now I unscrew this. I'm unscrewing the wire. And I guess I put the other one here. Just take this one and okay. That up there. There we go. That worked. Okay. And then see when it turns, it will lock in. Okay, I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. Other side is gonna be harder because the muffler's over here. Just jiggle it around a little bit. Okay. Undo this wire. All right. Now put the hitch up there. Hang it on here. And there, not knock the bolt. Hopefully don't knock the bolts in. And gonna wind up. Let's see. Target's a lot heavier. Okay. Put this. Come on, move on away. Over there. There we go. Okay. So now when they give you some bolts and some washers. They started. Hold it up. Try this side since this is. Yep. Okay. Now this side. Actually, I probably let this down. I just want to get a couple more threads on there so they'll fall. Oh, so it has slots on it. It needs to slide over a little bit, a tiny bit. Yeah. What I'll do is I'll get these bolts in, these nuts on, and then I'll center up. I'll center where I think the hitch should be. Whole bumper in there. All right, I'm going to measure between the two lights. Approximately 19. So that's 9. I think that looks pretty good. Goes, I can go over a little bit more. Let's say this is the center. That's it. Now I can go my bike rack right there and put all the bikes on it. I'll take my truck all over the place, my big truck. That's fairly simple. Alright, well, thank you. Here we go. My draw hitch hitch is installed. It was fairly simple. It's 4 bolts, and that's it. And it's done. All right, thanks for watching, guys.